Hey guys, it's me Mrunal. Welcome back to my channel. There are loads of DIY recipes for hair mask for smooth and shiny hair. So today I have chosen one recipe with bananas in it and we are going to test if that makes my hair shiny, smooth, silky or not. For this I have taken one banana. Ripe bananas are rich in potassium natural oils which help the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity to prevent breakage. Lemon because it makes the hair shine. Honey for its moisturizing properties. Coconut oil and olive oil for moisturizers, and mayonnaise because it contains eggs. Now blend this into a fine paste, and it had little chunks, so you should strain the mixture so that the particles do not get tangled in your hair. So it should look like this. Before application, let's take a look at my hair, how it looks right now. The banana mask claims to make your hair smooth, silky, and most importantly shiny. So we are going to test it now. And before application, it is recommended that our hair should be wet with warm water so the cuticles are open and the mask can seep into it. So here I have wet my hair and I am combing through it gently. Remember to comb your hair gently when it's wet because it is the more brittle at that time and it can break easily. Now I am taking small sections of my hair and applying the hair mask from tip to the roots. I will apply to the length more because the quantity was less, so I thought it would not cover my whole hair. So I am not applying it on my scalp, but you can apply it on your scalp. I am taking small sections to apply the mask so that no hair would be left out. The actual recipe used apple cider vinegar, but I didn't have that, so I used lemon instead, and it works similarly because the both of them are low in pH level. That means they are acidic, and that is why they are used to close the cuticle or to take the dead cells out of this hair and make them shiny. This process is little messy, so use a t-shirt that you won't mind getting soiled. After evenly applying the mask, I am going to tie a loose bun of my hair and clip it to keep it away from my clothes. I am also covering the hair with a polythene bag so that the moisture retains inside and it works as a steamer on your head. You can also use a shower cap or a polythene bag or a plastic wrap, anything to cover your head. Now after washing and drying, here is the final result. My hair feels super soft and smooth and also shiny. Well, it's not looking that shiny from this angle, but I'll show you from other side. But the hair really felt smooth. See the shine, guys. I just air dried my hair and brushed it once, and you can see how smooth and silky it looks, and there are no tangles in the hair. I can smoothly run my fingers through it and it is definitely shiny, and I am loving my hair. I can't stop running fingers from my hair. I am definitely impressed. Guys, tell your thoughts in the comment section, but I am definitely impressed by this mask, and this mask really works. See how smooth my hair looks. It's so smooth, and that shine. I'll show you guys. This is the mirror I was standing against, and it is not any kind of lighting. I'll go around the room and just show you. This really works. This is the shine, guys. I am loving it. I'll definitely recommend this mask for smoothness and shine in your hair. I'll definitely give a thumbs up to this mask. I didn't thought that DIYs work, but this one really works, guys. Really, it works. And my hair are feeling so smooth. I'm just running my hair through it, and there are no tangles and no at all. This mask passed the test. It definitely works, and I will recommend you to use this for your hair and share the results with me in the comment section below. Also tell that if you see a difference or not in my hair. Also tell me guys what you would like to see next, and if you like this video, press the thumbs up and also press the red subscribe button and turn it gray, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, guys.